Hello, G-Acconners. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you our new consolidated reports available for QBO. So to get started, we're going to go to G-Accon for QuickBooks, get accounting data/reports, and head on over to consolidated reports. To start, we're going to go through our overview consolidated reports. These are critical to revealing trends and gaining a deeper understanding of your business's overall financial health. So to begin, when you're setting up your reports, you're going to see all of your connected companies here on this first page section. You can see here, I have 2 connected companies at the moment. We're going to go ahead and show you how to pull our consolidated profit and loss report. This report aggregates income and expenses across your various QuickBooks accounts and gives you an essential overview to strategic planning and performance evaluation. Once you have selected the report that you'd like to use, you always have your date range to select from at the top here. You can either go with dynamic or go ahead and use this calendar icon to put in static dates or use a cell reference as your dates. For demo's sake, I'm going to keep it at dynamic. And then you go through and select the accounting method you're using, whether you'd like to show year to date, and how you'd like to sort your previous periods. Once that's all said and done, we'll head into our pull settings. This is mainly formatting based settings. So you can see you can place the report wherever you would like on the sheet. You can have it create a new sheet or not. Things like display report title, only account codes, only data rows, completely up to you and how you would like this report to look and feel when it is ultimately run. At the bottom here, as always, we have our multi-currency converter, where you can select from the following and use either latest rates or custom rates if you are working with various currencies. Again, for demo's sake here, I'm going to keep it at USD. Hitting execute, we'll get our profit and loss report, as you can see right here, outlined by company. Moving on to our other reports in consolidated reports, we have our balance sheet report. So this provides a snapshot of your company's or various companies' financial positions, aggregating data across all of your entities to deliver a unified view of assets, liabilities, and equity. This is great for businesses operating on multiple fronts and simplifying the complex financial landscapes, leading you to actionable intel. Last of our overview consolidated reports is our cash flow. So our consolidated cash flow helps you get a better understanding of your cash flow, merging cash flow data across multiple QuickBooks accounts, providing a clearer picture of how cash moves in and out of your business. Great for managing liquidity and investing in growth. Moving on to our company-specific insight reports, we have our profit and loss, cash flow, and balance sheet now available by company, as you can see here. So this consolidated profit and loss is great for breaking down profits and losses on a company-by-company basis, driving targeted improvements and fostering growth in specific areas of your business. As you can see, I've got my profit and loss segregated by the different companies I have connected. Moving on to our cash flow. Cash flow by company offers a detailed analysis of where cash is being generated and used across your multiple companies in QBO. It's taking a closer look at the operational efficiency of your individual companies throughout time. Lastly here, we have our balance sheet by company. The balance sheet by company allows for an in-depth examination of each entity under your umbrella. It is a valuable resource for enabling precise financial management and dissecting the financial health of individual companies within a larger conglomerate. As I stated at the beginning of this video, you can find all of these consolidated reports under G-Accon for QuickBooks, Get Accounting Data and Reports, and then Consolidated Reports. We wish you the best in your accounting business and hope that this helped. Stay tuned for more updates and videos coming from us soon. Make sure to leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful and let us know what else you would like to see. Thanks, guys.